Hey friends, if you encounter the error ad blockers violate YouTube's terms of service, then try watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution and I'll show that it works. So watch it till the end. Now we are on YouTube and it's not YouTube Premium because it's written YouTube here. I'm not even signed in and we are stuck on an ad. Here's what I'll do. I'll click on these three dots at the top right corner. I'll select extensions. I'll click on visit Google Web Store. Now here I'll search for the word ad block. Don't pick the first one, pick the second one, ad block, the best ad blocker, the one which reads getadblock.com, the second one, not the first one. And click on add to Chrome. Click on add extension. Okay, once this extension has been added, it will need a few seconds to install it. And once it has been installed, you can verify it by clicking on this symbol and then this symbol. Now return to the YouTube page and reload it. See, it worked without an ad. Now I'll switch off the sound. I'll try 10 different videos to check whether it works or not. First video, it worked without an ad. Next video, the ad flickers but the ad goes away in a fraction of a second. Then the next video, five videos have passed without an advertisement. And if you like this video, then please subscribe to our channel because we really need subscribers. I'll proceed with the test now. Sixth, seventh, just check it. The ad flickers and then it goes away within a fraction of a second. Eighth, ninth, and 10th. So this ad blocker is working. I'll show once again which ad blocker it is. It is known as ad block with this palms symbol and the octagon shape around it. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.